Welcome to Civilgistics, a web and mobile application that makes planning and collaboration easy for civil construction. The most important part of making sure an operation is successful is making sure the whole team is working off of the same plan. When operations are added or updated, everyone on the project team will see the updates in real time. Key members of a project team typically include the foreman, superintendent, project engineer, project manager, the material supplier, and the truck broker. To add a team member to the project, they must have a Civilgistics account. Enter the email address associated with their account and select the permission level for the team member for the project. An administrator can manage every aspect of the project, including modifying other team member permissions or removing team members from the project. The creator permission level can create and update truck types, materials, and operations. The collaborator permission level can view operations, truck types, materials, contact information for each team member, and add other team members with collaborator permission level to the project. After successfully adding a team member to a project, the project will also be added to their homepage, and you can view all of the team members' details. Start using Civilgistics today with your free trial and check out all the additional features the application provides to make operation planning and collaboration easier.